bigger, yeah, right, okay. When the fire to Aerogel, okay, you look it, okay, without any fire light, okay. So time is continue to 30 minutes, 30 seconds. So we have look it to continue 1 minute and 2 minutes is okay. This material is composed is silicone named okay. So fire retardant is A1 grade to meet EN 13591 and also ASNZ 48591 fire retardant without any fire smell smoking, right? So when the testing to continue 1 minute or 2 minutes without any smoking, right? You're right, okay? So this material is good. It bursts the fire retardant grade. Okay, finished.